Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today video is about how to add end screen to your YouTube video. So let's start the video. First of all, like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates at first. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to your studio. You cannot add end screen from the YouTube Studio app, so you have to go to desktop site on your search engine, Chrome, like Safari, anything you want. So after going to your dashboard of your studio, here you can see you have to select a video. You can't add end screen to your short videos, only long videos you can add end screen. So from here you have to select one your videos. After here you can see on the right side of screen there is an option of end screen, so you have to press on this option. You can see on a screen end screen. So this is the option by which you add end screen. After clicking on that, now the next step is let's begin. Once again you have to press on that. After pressing on that, there's a new page appear how you want to show your end screen of your videos. There are four process, like how there are four many process how you can add like different style and design. So you have to select choose one style. You can only add two end screen at one time. So here one is a subscribe button and the other is I'm adding is in the link of the another video of my YouTube channel that is very famous. These are three options like how you want to end screen on the video. You want to famous video of screen, or you want to channel YouTube Studio to choose your video, or you want to have the latest update of your video. So this is the how end screen works. So this is the method how easily you can add end screen to your YouTube videos. Hope so friend you like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for the more updates. Now you can read this passage on a screen that says how you want to show your video, like latest video of your channel or famous video of channel, or you can let YouTube to choose your video to show on end screen of your video. And once is the subscribe button, it will be show all on your videos and screens. So whenever someone touch on your icon of your channel, it will subscribe to your channel. So hope so friend you watch enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe.